Pray that you will bless the food and may this food be a blessing to our bodies, Lord. May we have a meaningful night together. Just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. Shining in the darkness, I'll follow you. My lighthouse, I will trust the promise. You hear me sing me shore. I like to break the chains, but I know I never will. Now officially 70 years old and still counting. Yes, God is so good because not all were given a chance to reach this so-called bonus age. Glory to God. Thankful also to have raised 4 loving and very supportive children. Because of them, this event became possible. I'm happy and proud also to have 5 beautiful and 6 handsome grandchildren. So with a I consider this occasion a sort of a reunion of some relatives, my 4 siblings, out of 6 na nahibilit, including myself, and eldest sister, Danda is out of the country. My nephews, nieces, my good old friends, and some high school batchmates in HA, in Huaycas, Sabamba. I would like to say thank you to my kumari and batchmate Mirna for having a very